Good day, my students home and abroad. I discovered that most of the students do have problem when it comes to answering the questions inside the examination hall. And the major problem is the interpretation of the question itself, which I'm going to do with this short. I won't make it so long so that you can be able to assess them so easily. So first and foremost, when questions are set by examiner, there are some technical words, phrases that are being used by the examiner, of course, which you need to know the meaning before you even attempt the question at all. First and foremost, if you are given something like write briefly, you don't need to write a note for your examiner. Not even me alone. It might be another person. It might be another examiner. When you are asked to write briefly, do so. Don't write lengthy notes. If it is possible, 1/4 of your page. If it is possible, half of your page. Maximum should be half of the page of your answer sheet. So make it as brief as possible. That's the number one thing you need to know. And if you are asked to give examples in any questions, don't ignore that. Don't ever ignore examples, because that example you are asked to give are part of the marks, because each of these technical words attract marks. For instance, if you are told to discuss briefly with copious examples, that means both discuss briefly and that copious example, they are very, very necessary, of course, which you need to do. As you are discussing or explaining briefly, you still need to buttress your point with examples. That is the first thing you need to consider.